Hey Rachel, here I am at Westtown Bikes in downtown Chicago. I just wanted to let you know that I'm building you a bicycle for Christmas, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a movie to see what went into the bike. So when you see the final product, you know where it started. So in a couple minutes, I'm going to show you the bike. I'll say Merry Christmas. So this is your bicycle. It's an Italian bike, single speed, and it's almost brand new, but I didn't like the color, and I'm sure you don't either, because the last thing you want is yellow, Michigan colors, when you're going to Ohio State.
You can already tell by the facial hair. It's been a couple weeks since I took apart your bike, and I just drove down to Joliet, Illinois. What I'm doing down here is bringing your bike into a place called CPC. You can see it in the background there, a couple projects as well. What CPC does is they powder coat the bicycle. So it's all disassembled, and at this point they're going to take it, they're going to sandblast it, take all the old paint off of it, so it's all just bare metal. They're going to repaint it in the colors I chose, and then they're going to put it in an oven. And putting it in an oven is what's different from just a regular paint job. By putting it in the oven, it's something called powder coating. And when it goes in the oven, it gets much harder. The idea behind that is that a couple years down the road, it's not going to have the scratches and the rust that a regular bicycle will have.
Good morning. It is the weekend before Christmas, and I am back at the powder coating factory, and I'm going to show you your bike. So what happened is they just painted it yesterday, and now it just came out of the oven. They had to cook it.
If the stars were mine, I'd tell you what I'd do. I'd put the stars right in a jar and give them all to you.
See how it looks when we put it all together.
Hey Rach, I am here at a place called Working Bike. I spent the afternoon volunteering here. You can see the bike shop behind me. Building this bicycle, taking it from a really old rusty piece of junk to something that people would actually want. And they're going to sell that for profit to help fund their not-for-profit organization. Because I did that, they're going to be nice enough to allow me to reassemble your bicycle here. So, got it in the background, just the frame, and fortunately I don't have my GoPro camera, so you can't see step by step, but I'll do my best to get the whole thing.
If the world was mine, I'd paint it gold and green. I'd make the oceans orange for a brilliant color scheme. I would color all the mountains, make the sky forever blue, so the world would be a painting and I'd live inside with you. If the world was mine, I'd tell you what I'd do. I'd wrap the world in ribbons and then give it all to you. I'd teach the birds such lovely words and make them sing for you. I'd put those stars right in a jar and give them all to you.